Jamaican-style curry chicken is always going to be a hit in my household. And the only thing better than the curry chicken is the curry chicken wings. Have you ever had that? If you've never chopped up your chicken wings small and curry it, you're missing out. I like to cut the drum in two and the flat in two. I may also curry the pins because I not dash them because I like it. Now when I curry anything, the first thing I have to do is hit it with some curry and rub that in. After that, I hit it with some of our very own, very necessary island spiced oil because it's good in and everything. I tell you now. Then you can season your chicken with the whole cabinet. Just be sure to go easy on the seasonings that have a lot of salt. As for me, some Creole seasoning will do. Some onion powder, garlic powder, a little salt free miss dash. And my onion powder and garlic powder always salt free too. Whole heap of garlic, pepper flakes, and that's if you like it extra spicy because the spiced oil alone I go get your spiciness. Once me get that all seasoned, me rub it in, marinate overnight for best result. When me ready to cook it, pot on this over a little oil, a little curry, some ginger, some allspice berry. I may use a little turmeric every now and then. But if you use some turmeric, be sure to use a little black pepper to activate the turmeric. We eat with medicine. Once me curry burn, me like to add my chicken, stir it up thoroughly, lower the heat and cover it down. And right as no water and add to it yet. This are the own juice from the chicken. Me like to go in with a whole heap of aromatics, which is onion, a lot of onion, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, anything you want. Even if you want bell peppers and all of that, me not like do all of that, but don't leave out your onion and your scallion and your thyme. Once me turn up the heat and the water dry out where it make, me like to add a little hot water, and most time me just cover it down and make it cook low and slow. Sometimes you can add some Irish potato, you can add some carrot, but me honestly just like my curry chicken, especially when I curry chicken wings. Yes, once everything dried down to your desired amount of gravy and your chicken cook, you're good. You can serve that up with any side, but I realize y'all been sleeping on curry chicken and mashed potato. Curry chicken and mashed potato is boss. Me feel like that even nicer than curry chicken and rice. Fight me if you want. It's a close. Me probably pushing it, say it nicer, because if you're a rice lover, you're definitely not gonna think the mashed potato nicer than the rice with the curry chicken. Basically, I'm saying if you've never tried curry chicken with some mashed potato, some good mashed potato, try that. Me also add a 2 pieces of plantain on the side, fried green pressed plantain, and of course, me not left out my vegetable. No care how small it is. Chicken wings turn out perfect for me to curry because I love the bony part of meat. However, if you're feeding it to kids, be careful because when you cut the flats in two, if it's a small flat, the pieces are gonna be extra small and you know want to swallow no bone. But if it's a grown ass, tough ass back somebody and you've never tried curry chicken wings, especially when you cut them fine like this, I'm telling you right now that you're missing out. And you have to try it today or tomorrow or the next day or sometime this week. It's also the only part of the chicken that I can eat curry with the skin on it. So go on, go make some.